Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your pineapple juice, original pineapple juice, the natural one without adding sugar or anything. Those people are looking for your own job to make it. This is very good for you to make it. These ice creams I'm using, but if you are making for business, you can put it on your fridge or you can make ice and put inside. You see how I'm enjoying it? Please, let's start. This is my pineapple. I'm using 2 pineapple, and you take the head out, you wash it well. Try to wash it well with warm water. You use sponge to clean it. Because you don't want any bacteria go inside with your juice. I finished washing it, so I put my hand glove on. I'm wearing hand gloves, so you're supposed to wear hand glove. And you peel the skin out. You remove the skin, you take it out. I finished peeling it, so I'm going to squeeze the juice. So I'm using my hand to squeeze it. That's why I told you to wear the hand gloves. You see what I'm doing it. You don't need any machine, anything to squeeze this one. You can make it at home. So it's very easy. You can do this one for business. If you make this every day, you will get something to buy food or take care of your family. As a woman, try to do something to help your family. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my followers. God bless you. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. God bless you. I finished it, squeeze it. So I'm come to strain, sieve it. So I'm using strain to make it. And after that, I transfer to clean napkin to squeeze the juice good. The juice will come out very good from that. So you can make that straight, but I prefer to do this one before I transfer to the clean white napkin. God will bless anyone who will do my recipe as your business, who will try this as a business. Your business will come big in the name of Jesus. God bless anyone to try this, my recipe. Amen. And this is my napkin. So I'm transferred this. This is what I did it first. I transferred to clean kitchen napkin. Or any napkin is clean, you can use it. And you squeeze it like this, and you see what I get it. So this leftover, throw it away, don't add it to it. This is what I got it. So throw this one, you see, throw it away, don't add it to it, please. And you put into the clean saucepan, and you put on fire to medium high heat. Please cover it and let's be boiled. Some minutes, and you see the foam on top. So you remove that foam, you load the heat, and you remove that foam on top. You see what I'm doing? Take all that foam on top, remove it. After remove all, take it aside, let it be cool before you serve or before you transfer to anything we're going to use to serve. You see, we don't need this one, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy. Follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. Like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching Mayu Catering Services. See you on my next video. Bye bye.